this video, we'll cover how to add the medical journal terms list to your EndNote library, which will ensure your manuscript citations use the correct journal name or journal abbreviation, depending on your chosen citation style.
All right, once you're in your EndNote library, navigate to your top toolbar and select Library. From this dropdown, go ahead and select Define Term Lists. A pop-up will appear, and you're going to change the default from authors to journals. And then on the right, you'll select Import List. At this point, you need to navigate to Applications located on the left. Select EndNote 21 from your Applications list, and then select Terms. It's near the bottom. From here, go ahead and select Medical and choose. So at this point, EndNote has brought in about 14,000 journal names, both the abbreviated name as well as the fully spelled out name. Of note, you only need to do this once if you tend to work from the same EndNote library. However, anytime you create a new EndNote library, you'll have to repeat this step of importing the journal names.